meteorologist Eric Zarnitz and live Doppler 2X, the most powerful radar in the Miami Valley.
And if you plan on hanging out in the Miami Valley this weekend, well, you're in luck. Plenty of things going on. First, we have the Clark County Fair being held in Springfield. Tonight, things look fantastic for you. And then as we head into downtown Dayton, right at the Riverscape Metro Parks here, we're going to have the Celtic Festival kicking off tomorrow. So a lot of fun. But the problem is, just in time for the weekend, we're going to see some rain. Again, nothing just yet tonight. But as we head into the day tomorrow, we have this cold front rolling down from the northern plains, and that's what's going to give us the risk for maybe some severe weather during the afternoon. This first complex right here is actually going to fall apart late tonight and early tomorrow morning, just leaving us with some clouds. It's what develops tomorrow afternoon, pretty much right on top of us, is what worries me a little bit about this forecast. Again, we have seen some tornado watches, severe thunderstorm watches with the system, and this line has actually put down some softball-sized hail out in Iowa. Again, about the size of a softball, and in some cases even some tennis ball-sized hail as well. This complex, not a worry for us tonight. It's what, again, develops on top of us tomorrow afternoon. On top of that, we're going to watch some warmer air sort of slide in front of that cold front. So tomorrow, despite the cloud cover, despite the rain in the afternoon, I think we will make it back into the 80s. I think most spots will actually make it up to about 83 or 84 degrees. Starting off tomorrow morning, perhaps a peak of sunshine. By noon, that sun is gone. Plenty of clouds around, maybe a few showers before noon, but the best chance for the stronger storms will be anywhere between about 2 in the afternoon till about 6 o'clock at night. We're looking for possibly large hail, damaging winds, and of course some heavy rain with those thunderstorms as they roll on through. And behind that, we're going to see some cooler air and some nicer weather for Sunday. So if you have a choice between heading out on Saturday or Sunday, I'd stick with Sunday. Sunday's looking pretty good. Right now, 72 degrees. Winds out of the south-southwest at 6 miles an hour. Our humidity at 64% and our dew point getting close to 60. So, again, the humidity starting to come up a little bit tonight. And it looks like tomorrow's going to be one of those humid, warm days, especially towards the afternoon. Our average high 85, today 81, our record 103 back in 1934, and no rain being recorded at the airport. Also more temperatures, 70 degrees with Jason in Brookville. Leslie Short down in West Carrollton, 73 degrees there. We're looking at 69 degrees in New Parish with David Wessler and 68 degrees with Lowell up in Greenville. Again, all of those temperatures gradually dropping off tonight down into the 60s. There's that complex I was just telling you about in Illinois. That, watch it, it just falls apart. Tomorrow morning, a mix of clouds and sun. Then right on top of us, boom. You see those thunderstorms firing right up. I think the best chance for severe weather is actually going to be off to our east, but that doesn't mean that we're out of the woods. We're still going to have to be very careful and watch things. Of course, Live Doppler 2X available to you 24 hours a day right at our website, WDTN.com, so you can track all of this from home. And then behind the system, some cooler air builds in. Here's your forecast. 63 degrees tonight, mild with a couple of clouds starting to build in, especially those high clouds. Tomorrow morning, 67 degrees. By noon, we'll be up to 80 with some scattered showers. And then there's that chance for the stronger storms by the afternoon. 83 degrees are high. 7-day forecast, really not warming up too much or cooling off too much. The coolest day in the forecast, 78 degrees on Sunday. The warmest day, 84. And of course, we could be much hotter than that as we head on through the month of July here. So all in all, a fairly